Welcome to IACE. Today we are going to discuss 17th March 2020 Shift 3 reasoning paper. Take your first one. Question number 1. Select the number that can replace the question mark in the following series. So friends, here the given series is 10, 26, 50, 82. Next one is question mark. Friends, once observe here difference is how much here? 16. Next difference is what? Here 24. Next difference is what? Here 32. Friends, once if you are going to take a double difference is how much here? 8. Here also 8. Here also next difference is 8 means 32 plus 8 is what? 40. Now 82 plus 40 is what? Here 1, 2, 2, answer is what? Option D. Here logic is double difference. Question number 2. How many triangles are present in the given figure? Now we are going to count number of triangles. And suppose friends, we know one basic formula. If the triangle shape is like this means, that means if the shape is like this means number of triangles, what the formula means here? 2n. Friends, take here, how we are going to take here 2n means, suppose friends take here, first I will explain general method. For this one triangle, 2, 3, 4 triangles. Small is what? 4 triangles. Combination, 1, 2 combination, 1 triangle, 2, 4 combination, 1 triangle, 4, 3 combination, 1 triangle, 3, 1 combination also 1 triangle. Now, 4 plus 4 total is what? 8. Instead of applying this entire general method, take formula is what? 2n. Where n is number of small triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles are there. Now, 2 into 4 total is what? 8. That means now, friends, once if you are going to observe here, friends, for this part here we are going to get 8. Next, for this part also we are going to get here 8. Now, total is here 8, here also 8, total is what? 16. Now, go for next one. Now, here 1, 2, next one is what? 3, next one is what? Here 4. Next, again we are going to get here 4 extra. Next, after that one, friends, once if you are going to observe here, now this one is one triangle, opposite this one also one triangle. This one is one triangle, opposite this one also one triangle. Again we are going to get 4 plus, when this entire one is what? One triangle. This side also entire one is what? One triangle. That means here 2. Here 16, 20, 24 plus 2. Answer is what? 26. Option B is the answer. Question number 3. If a mirror is placed on the line PQ, now they kept here mirror is right side on the line PQ. So if it is a mirror image, left is right and right is left. Now, then which of the given answer figure is the correct mirror image of the given question figure? Now, friends, if it is a mirror image, left is right and right is left. Now, shape is like this, and if it is a mirror image means it should be like this. Here they give that side, no chance. This one also, no chance. Here they interchange top and bottom, no chance. That means remaining option D is the answer. Question number 4. Select the combination of letters that when sequentially placed in the blanks of the given series will complete the series. Suppose friends, for this one, substitute the option number 1, Y, R, S, X. Friends, once take here, any series is repeating or not, RT, XYS, X. Next, suppose friends take here, RT, XYS, XYZ, RT, XYX, XYZ. Yes, by substituting option here, we are getting here RT, XY, SX, YZ. This series is repeating, so answer is what? Option A. Question number 5. Select the answer figure that when placed in the blank space of the question figure will complete the pattern. Now we are going to replay this question mark and suppose friends take here, this question mark means now this square will come, now this line will be like this. After that, friends, here shading, one part gap, shading, one part gap, shading, one part gap. This one is what? Here shading. So which of the following figure is like this? Check once. This one is not there, no chance. Next, this one is not there, this one also not there. That means here answer is what? Option B is the answer. So question number 5, answer is option B. Question number 6. Which two signs should be interchanged to make the given equation is correct? So for this one also compulsory, we should go through options and take your first option. 72 divided by 18. Next, plus is there means what? Minus is there means what? Plus means what? Minus 30. Next one, into 8, minus is there means what? Plus 4 equal to 20. Now this one is what? 18 4 jar 72. This one is what? There is chance to get negative value, but here 20 positive value. So first option no chance. Take second option, plus and into. If plus is there means what? Here, into is there means what? Take this one is plus. 72 by 18 this one is what? 4. 4 into 30 plus 8 minus 4. This one is 120 there is chance to get, but our requirement is what? 20. Second option also no chance. Take third option here. Third option is what? Into and divide by. If into is there means what? Replace divide by. If divide by there means what? Replace into. This one is what? Into. Next, this one is what? Here, divide by. So 72 into 18. Next, plus 30 by 8 minus 4 equal to 20. There is no chance to get 20 value, and why means this one multiplication only it will goes big number. So remaining option D is the answer. Suppose friends take once option D, plus and divide by. If divide by there means what? Plus 72 plus 18. Next one. If plus is there means what? Divide by here 30 into 8 minus 4 equal to 20. So friends take here first priority is for bracket. So bracket value is how much here? 80, 90. 90 divided by 30 into 8 minus 4. So next priority is for division. 90 by 30 is for, this one is for 3 into 8 minus 4. 24 minus 4, this one is for 20. That means here LHS equal to RHS by substituting here option D. So answer is for option D. Question number 7. Select the figure in which the question figure is hidden or embedded. So which are the following figure is hidden in following 4 figures? But our requirement is what? Rotation is not allowed. We are not going to rotate. Check once. For first one, it's not there. Next, friends, once observe here second one. In second one, given figure is hidden or not? Yes. That means your answer is what? Option B. Question number 7. Answer is option B. Question number 8. Select the option that is related to the third term in the same way second term is related to the first term. Suppose friends, once if you are going to observe here, H and J, H face value 8, J face value is what? 10. 10 plus 8 is what? 18. Next one is what? J face value 10, L face value is what? 12. Now 10 plus 12, total is what? 22. Like this we can able to, otherwise friends take here. H and J, logic is what? Here, plus 2. J and also this one is what? Plus 2. Number is what? Plus 4. Now 34, number is what? Plus 4. 34 plus 4 is what? Here 38. So middle number is 38. Here we are having 2 options. Leave it. Now first letter plus 2. First letter plus 2. P plus 2. P plus 2 is what? Here 18 R. So next last letter also plus 2. Now R plus 2. R is what? 18 plus 2 is what? 20. That means here T. So R 38 T. So answer is what? Option A. Friends, if it is an analysis means don't check it within the given one. So here take second one, then compare with first one. And here J and H logic is what? Plus 2. 22 and 8 logic is what? Plus 4. L and J logic is what? Plus 2. Same manner here answer is what? Option A. Question number 9. Select the letter that can replace the question mark in the following series. Now we are going to replace this question mark present. Friends, once observe here L comma M O K R I U question mark. Friends, here L and M logic is what? Here L and M is what? Plus 1. M and O here plus 2. Next O and K fun is what? Here minus 4. So friends, here we are having plus and minus means then in that we are having alternative series. And friends, remember while solving any series, if you are getting plus value and minus values means in that we are having the 2 series. Take your alternative series L O R U M K I question mark. L and O logic is what? Plus 3. O and R plus 3. R and U plus 3. Next one. M and K one is what? Minus 2. K and I minus 2. I minus 2. 9 minus 2 is what? 7. 7 means what? G. So answer is what? Option C. So here logic is what? Alternative series. So for first letter, third letter, fifth and seventh letter one series. 2, 4, 6, 8 one series. So answer is G. Question number 10. Identify the letter cluster that does not belongs to the following series. If it does not belongs to the following, that means here wrong one. And suppose take here they given D and G logic is what? Plus 3. G and J plus 3. J and N, that means here logic is what? Plus 3 plus 3. J and N fun is what? Plus 4. N and P fun is what? Plus 2. Suppose friends, once if you are going to observe here, once assume logic is plus 3 and plus 3 plus 3. Here also J plus 3. J plus 3 is what? Here 13. 13 means what? M. This one is what? M. Now M is 13, P is 16. This one is what? Plus 3. Yes. That means which of the following is wrong one means answer is what? NM. Why means here for first letter logic is what? Plus 3, but in this case we are having plus 4. So wrong number is what? Here NM. Even no need to check the second letter end. Why means here E and H logic is what? Plus 3. H and K also plus 3. Now K plus 3. K plus 3 is what? Here K is 11. Plus 3 is what? 14. 14 means what? N. N plus 3 17. Q. Yes, that means wrong one is NM. Answer is what? Option B. Question number 11. Select the option that is related to the third word in the same way the second word is related to the first word. Butter is related to milk. Friends, from milk we are going to get butter, and in the same manner how we are going to get oil means from seed. So answer is what? Here oil seed. That means option A is the answer. From milk we are going to get butter, in the same manner how we are going to get oil means from the seeds. So answer is what? Option A. Question number 12. Study the given pattern carefully and select the number that can replace the question mark in it. Now we are going to replay this question mark lesson. Friends, once if you are going to observe here, take a sum of the above numbers, upside numbers. 13, 108, this one is what? 121. So 11 square is what? 121. Suppose 55, 26, sum is how much here? 81. 9 square is what? 81. The same manner. That means sum of these two equal to square of this number. Now, sum of this one, these two. Now this one is what? X. X plus 157 equal to square of this one. 14 square is what? 196. Now 196 minus 157. This one is what? 16. Next minus 1 is what? 9. Next one. 8 minus 5 is what? 3. So answer is what? 39. Option D is the answer. Question number 13. 4 numbers have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner, 1 is different. Select the different one. So friends, 11 982, 123 26, 524 77, 149 78. Friend, this one is what? Even number. This one also even number. This one also even number. So different one is what? Option C. Why means option C is a odd number. Remaining 3 are even numbers. Question number 14. Select the pair of words from the given option that share the similar relationship as ship and sailor. Friends, here sailor is present in the ship and in the ship. Judge is present in the jail. No. Next one. Scientist is present in the laboratory. Yes. So answer is what? Option B. So here sailor is one of the person in the entire crew in the boat and in the navy. So here sailor is present in ship, in the same manner scientist present in laboratory. Answer is what? Option B. Question number 15. Find the number of triangles in the given figurine. Suppose take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Small we are having 7. This combination is what? 1. Entire one is what? 1. Now 7 plus 8, next one is what? 9. Option A is the answer. Question number 15. Option A is the answer. Question number 16. Select the number that can replace the question mark in the following series. Now we are going to replay this question mark. And suppose friends, once observe the series here. 25, next 5, 49, 10, 81, 20, next one is what? 121, next one is question mark. Friends, take here 25, 49, 81, 121, next. Next 5, 10, 20, next one. Suppose when this one is what? Our requirement is question mark. Suppose 5 and 10, this one is what? Plus 5. 10 and 20, this one is what? Here, plus 10. 5 double, 10. 10 double is what? Here, 20. 20 plus 20 is what? Here, 40. So answer is what? Option B is the answer. Question number 17. In a certain code language operation, OPE, RATION, operation is written as PO, next one is what? FQ, next one is BS, JNO. Friends, once observe here what the logic here. O and P, logic is what? Plus 1, P and O minus 1. Next, E and F plus 1, P and R and Q minus 1. So plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1. That means your logic is what? Plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, and so on. Now same manner. So first one is what? Plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1. Now I plus 1 is what? Here j. So starting with j, here we are having 3 options, leave it. Now n minus 1 m, v plus 1 here w, I minus 1 here h, s plus 1 t, I minus 1 h, b plus 1 c, l minus 1 k, e plus 1 is what? f. Check once. jmw, ht, next hc, jmw, next one is what? ht, hc, kf, so answer is what? Option D. Question number 80. In a certain code language, 214673 is written as search. Now friends, take care. The given is what? Search, S-E-A-R-C-H. This code is what? 214673. Next one, 73456. 73456 is written as chair, C-H-A-I-R. Next one is what? 961473 is written as P-R-E. Next one is what? C, P-R-E-A-C-H. A-C-H. Friends, once if you are going to observe here, they given direct coding. How we are going to confirm means here A is what? 4. Here also A is what? 4. Next here also A is what? 4. That means here they given direct coding. Now they given here 7. What the code for 7 means what? C. Here 7C. Here also C 7. That means here C. Now 3 code is what? Here H. 4 code is what? Here A. 6 code is what? R. 7 is what? C. 3 is what? Here H. Answer is what? C-H-A. C-H-A. Next one is what? R-C-H. Answer is what? Option D. Here logic is direct coding. Question number 19. Select the letter cluster that can replace the question mark in the following series. The given is what? BYT, WUQ, RQN, MMK question mark. Friends, if they given like this means first letter is one sequence, second letter is second sequence, third letter is third sequence. Suppose R and M logic is what? Minus 5. W and R, W is what? 23, R is 18. This one also minus 5. This one also minus 5. Next one, M minus 5. 13 minus 5 is what? Here 8. 8 means what? H. So with H here we are having 2 options. Next go for next one. Y and U logic is what? Minus 4. U and Q logic is what? Minus 4. Q and M logic is what? Minus 4. M minus 4. 13 minus 4 is what? 9. 9 means what? I. So with HI, how many options are there? We are having only one option. So answer is what? Option C. Third one, if you want, T and Q minus 3. Q and N minus 3, N minus 3, K minus 3, 11 minus 3 is what? 8, 8 means what? H, so answer is what? Option C is the answer. Question number 20, select the option that is related to the third number in the same way second number is related to the first number. Suppose 19 is related to 23, 97 is related to question mark. Suppose, friends, 19, 23, this one is what? 19 plus 4 is what? 23. Same manner, 97 plus 4 is what? 101, so answer is what? Option B. Question number 21. In the given Venn diagram, A likes milk. Now A is milk. B likes here bread. C likes here meat. Who likes all the given eating materials? Now, friends, here who is liking all the given materials? And suppose, friends, once if you are going to observe here C and if you are going to observe here A milk and meat only. B is what? Bread and meat only. If you are going to take a C and if you are going to take here C is having meat, at the same time he is drinking milk, at the same time he is having bread also. That means here only C. Answer is what? Option B. 21. Option B. Question number 22. The sequence of folding a piece of paper and the manner in which the folded paper has been cut is shown in the question figure. Select the figure from the answer figure that would most closely resembles the unfolded paper. So here the again question is from paper cutting and paper folding. Friends, our paper is divided to two parts. Top is folded to bottom. We are having only bottom part. Again, left is folded to right. We are having only this part. Folding is from here to here means now unfolding is from right to left. That means here this one will fall at the same time. Next, If you are going to unfold the center one means the square will form, this dot will not form, and y means it will become out, no chance. Next here folding is from top to bottom, unfolding is from bottom to top means here 1, here also 1. So which of the following figure is like this? Check once. Option A is the answer. So question number 22, answer is what? Option A. Question number 23, here the again question is from Silax. Our requirement is what? Which of the following conclusions are logically follows? Take here given statement, some cats are dogs. Friends, take care, cats, some part of cat is a dog. Next one, some trees are dogs, some part of tree is a dog. Take first one, some dogs are cat. We know some part of dog is mixed with here cat. First one is true. Second one, some cat are trees. Cat and tree relation is, can't say, this one is, no chance. So answer is what? Only one follows, answer is option D. Question number 24, study the given pattern carefully and select the number that can replace the question mark in it. Now we are going to replace this question mark present. Suppose 9, 13, 130. How? Suppose friends take it. 9 plus 1 is what? Here 10. 10 into 13 is what? 130. Same manner. 15 plus 1 is, sorry, 14 plus 1 is what? 15. 15 into 9 is what? 15 into 9 is what? 135. The same manner. 7 plus 1 is what? 8. 8 into this one is what? X. 8 into x equal to 168. This one is what? 21. So x value is what? Option B, 21. Here logic is what? First number plus 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 into last number. 10 into 13 is what? Here 130. Same manner, answer is what? Option B.